Dr. Miyahara from NICT in Japan will address next-generation networks. He'll be looking at the past and future role of information and communication technologies in networks and what's needed to achieve future networks beyond the IB-based networks we have today.
Philippe Carrier is another one of our plenary speakers for OFC NFOEC. He comes from a very interesting company that is associated with the beginning of this technology. It's a combination, it's a multinational corporation that contains the Bell Labs research, which has been an important component of this conference for many years. But maybe less well known is that it also includes in its predecessor companies STL, which is where Charles Kao worked. And Charles, as we, I hope all know, was the recent recipient of the Nobel Prize for Physics for his work on optical communication. Philip is going to talk about the impact of the internet on the areas of how do we build our networks, the demands that is put on ever-growing traffic handling capabilities. And so I'm looking forward to a very interesting talk on his side and his insight in this particular area.
For the plenary session of OFC NFOEC 2010, we really wanted to bring up the topic of what's happening in the bigger area of undersea optical communications. And then looking at the situation all around the world, we decided that the continent of Africa really deserves some attention from our community, and we rarely talk about the developments there. And that's when we decided to contact Mr. Brian Herlihy, who is president of the CCOM project. In 2010, our industry was awarded a Nobel Prize in the area of optical communications. Charles Kao is the pioneer in optical communications, and he has received a Nobel Prize. Of course, OFC and NFOEC 2010 could not acknowledge this event, and we decided to dedicate the conference to Charles Kao. At the plenary session, another prominent figure in the area of optical communications, Dr. Tini Lee, will deliver a short address honoring Charles Kao.